Smart self-cleaning facade paints represent one of the most significant innovations in the architectural coatings industry. Thanks to nature-inspired technologies, these coatings provide surfaces that remain cleaner for longer, protect buildings against extreme weather conditions, and significantly extend the lifespan of structures. Their main features include self-cleaning properties, water repellency, UV protection, enhanced weather resistance, reduced dirt accumulation, moisture protection, long-lasting color stability. These characteristics help buildings maintain their original appearance for many years. Hydrophobic coatings make it much harder for these contaminants to stick to building surfaces. As a result, facades remain cleaner for longer periods. Self-cleaning paints are the future of surface protection and maintenance. If you'd like more information, visit the www.deckerplastic.com website, where you'll find the best architectural paints.